Hello everyone! Today we're going to take a look and see how to use postcards creatively and a quick example of a customer request. Postcards, or better said, rectangular pieces of thick paper intended for writing and mailing have gone a long way. Today, postcards can be used for coupon cards, reminder cards, grand opening announcements, clearance cards, discount cards, product promos, mini flyers, referral programs, BOGO card, and today's special, dual-purpose product insert cards. Let's say a customer print request comes in. I start by doing a little research on the brand, style, and colors. After the preliminary concept is ready and approved, I lay it all out, making sure everything is in place. After several hours of design and production, the cards are finally ready and looking really nice. The customer is really happy with the outcome and a job well done. So, for all the businesses out there, use postcards creatively. It is a tried and tested method to raise awareness, drum up sales, and promote your business. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.